If you're thinking of making a pantry, I'll show you what I did. This is a closet that's located under my stairs. I decided to turn it into a small pantry that's very useful, functional, and pretty at the same time. This is a picture of a closet I have adjacent to my kitchen, and I'm turning it into a pantry. So what we're going to do is, as you can see, it's just blank right now. I removed the hanging rod and it had a little top shelf with a wooden floor. So we're going to mount brackets on the side. We've already started that, and put shelving in here to make a nice, cute, functional pantry. As you can see, we have a slanted roof at the top because the stairs are on the other side of this roof. So we are going to paint the ceiling white and the walls brown with white shelving. So here we go, and I'll keep you informed as we move along.
Come on.
Here is the rough wood section that we finished of the shelves. Now they need to be sanded, properly fitted, puttied, and we'll get them ready for painting. But it gives you an idea of what they look like just in the rough stage. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves all together.
I got for you something to try. Go ahead and soak your roller.
Here's the final version of how the pantry turned out. I haven't quite finished filling it up yet, but I just wanted to give you a quick idea of the final version and all the great shelves and canisters I have to fill up. On the bottom, I placed the larger jars, as you can see here. And that wraps around to the back where I keep my pressure cookers, which I just love. As you can see, there's 2 there because I use them so much. My bread container, my glass jars, which I keep pasta in, oatmeal, brown sugar, and miscellaneous items at the top. So you can basically use anything you want, baskets, plastic containers, canister containers, glass, decorative items, whatever you feel you need to fill up your shelves and that would be useful for you when storing your food. Here I have granola and nuts in the smaller jars, and I picked these jars because they have a very tight seal. I don't have to worry about anything getting in there, any moisture, and I am so glad that I did that because I'm really happy with how well they keep everything so fresh. This is an angled shelf up here as the ceiling comes down, so I have a 3-piece set of jars, small, medium, and large, and it fit very well right up there. So the walls I painted a tan to match the rest of the house, and the ceiling I painted a white color. And I used Dunn Edwards paint. On the flat side, I didn't want anything protruding because it's not a gigantic pantry, but I really thought this was cute. I still have to touch it up a little bit, touch up the screws with the white, but I wanted to get you a picture that you could look at sooner than later. I have a little canister here I filled up with marker, and it has a little hanger on the back. That's from Hobby Lobby, and I just hang it right there, and it's real handy. Also from Hobby Lobby, I purchased this market list poster. Comes with refillable brown paper, and if you need the refillable brown paper, they have that in the pink section at Home Depot. And I just thought it was so cute. I had the metal frame for a long time, this part that goes all the way around, and I had 2 of them, and I just knew I would do something with them one day, and it was just the perfect frame to put around the market list. And I got a little pantry sign from Hobby Lobby. The bread tobacco basket is from Hobby Lobby. The Ninja pressure cooker is from Walmart. And I got a lot of canisters from IKEA. If you have an IKEA near you, they also sell the liner, which comes in rolls, and it's plastic liner, and I just measured and cut and fit that. I had a lot of the glass canisters here. This is Princess House. Another Princess House here. I used to sell Princess House years ago, and I have a lot of Princess House items. These are from IKEA. Small little jars to match the large ones. As you can see, they have the printed IKEA label on the bottom. I love how my husband cut the corners here for me, so you're not gouging yourself as you walk into the pantry. That's really important, and it also gave it some style. So overall, I'm very happy. We will be installing a light in the pantry very soon, and a little throw rug for the floor, which I thought would add some style. I'll try to back up so you get a view. So if you have a closet under your stairway with an angled down roof, that's exactly what I have here. And it was just a closet we didn't use. We just threw different things in there like jackets and hats, and I turned it into an extension, a very nice little pantry, and I'm so happy how it came out. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in again to stay current with the Current Mermaid.